I am a teacher of science, Mr. Ahmed Soror. Now we will describe our session about physical properties of matter. Physical properties of matter. Physical properties of matter. Firstly, we will study mass. Mass, its definition, amount of matter in an object. Amount of matter in an object. What are the measuring tools of matter? Measuring tools of matter are measuring tools of mass. Measuring tools of mass, firstly, we will study measuring tools of mass. You can study the mass of substance by using balance. Band balance is a measuring tool of mass. But the mass measured by using gram or kilogram. Kilogram is a measuring unit of large mass, massive mass, large massive, more massive masses, and the gram used to measure less masses. Less masses are measured by gram, but more massive masses are large masses are measured by kilogram. After that, we will study another part of the properties of matter, volume. Volume is the space that occupied by objects. Is the space occupied by object. The tools that used to measure the volume of object may be a ruler, to measure the dimensions of regular objects. Used to measure the length dimensions of the regular objects. But we can use graduated cylinder or measuring cylinder to measure the volume of irregular solid bodies, irregular solid bodies and liquids. We will study the volume of irregular solid bodies by graduated cylinder or measuring cylinder. We measure the volume of liquids by using the graduated cylinder or measuring cylinder. Now we will study the volume of rectangular. As you see, rectangular. This is a rectangular. Rectangular has dimensions: length, width, height. Length, This is width. This is height. If you want to measure the volume of this rectangular, you should write this mathematical equation. Volume equal length, take a sign L, by width, take a sign W, and height, take a sign H. If the length of this rectangular equal 5 centimeter, length equal 5 centimeter, and width equal 2 centimeter, and the height equal 1 centimeter. When you want to measure the volume of this rectangular, you should write length equal 5 by width 2 by height 1. 5 by 2 equal 10, 10 by 1 equal 10 cubic centimeter. This is the volume of this rectangular. When you have a stone, this is a rectangular. For example, this is the length of rectangular, this is width of rectangular, and this is height of rectangular. In this model, we will study its length by ruler. We will measure the length. For example, its length equal 20 centimeter. Its width equal 10 centimeter, but its height equal 5 centimeter. Who can tell me what is the volume of the rectangular? This rectangular. The volume of this rectangular can measure its length by the ruler as this length, and its width and its height. And using the mathematical equation V equal L length by width W by height. Length equal 20 by width equal 10 by height equal 5 centimeter. 10 by 2 equal 200 by 5 equal 1,000 cubic centimeter. This is the volume of this rectangular. This is the volume of this rectangular equal 1,000 cubic centimeter. Yeah. We will repeat again. Volume of rectangular equal length by width by height. Length by width by height. Length equal 20 by width equal 10 by height equal 5. 20 by 10 equal 200. 200 by 5 equal 1,000 cubic centimeter. So this is the volume of rectangular regular shaped body. Regular shaped body. If you have a stone and want a regular body and you want to calculate the volume of this stone, you should bring the cylinder. The cylinder contains an amount of water. The volume of water, V water. This is volume of water equal 20 cubic centimeters. When you put the stone inside the cylinder, put the stone inside the cylinder, the water rises up until arrive this level, 25. This is the volume of stone and water. Volume of stone and water. Hey, but the first one, V1, volume of water. Water. V1 of water equal 20 cubic centimeter. V2, this is the volume of water plus stone. Water plus stone. You can observe the water rise from this level 20 to the level 25. When you want to calculate the volume of stone, volume of stone, V stone, equal V2 of water plus stone minus V1, volume of water only, volume of water only. V2 equal 25 minus V1 equal 20. So the product is 5 cubic centimeters. So the volume of stone equal 5. This is the volume of stone. This is the volume of stone. Equal 5 cubic centimeter. 5 cubic centimeter. This is the volume of stone. We can measure the volume of the stone now by using the graduated cylinder or beaker contains an amount of water. The volume of water V1 equal 25 cubic centimeter. The volume of water in this beaker equal 25, about 25 cubic centimeter. V1 of water equal 25 cubic centimeter. 25 cubic centimeter. This is the volume of water, V1. When you put a stone in this beaker, the water rises up until it arrives to 30 V2 equal 30 cubic centimeter. This is the volume of water plus stone. Volume of water and stone. This is the volume of water. You can calculate the volume of stone. V stone equal V2 of stone and water minus V1, volume of water only. The volume of water and stone equal 30 minus 25 equal 5 cubic centimeter. 5 cubic centimeter. So that the volume of the stone that located in this beaker equal 5 cubic centimeter. Now we will study another thing, another probability, other probability of physical probabilities of matter. Now we will study density. Density, it has a mathematical equation combined between mass, which we study, and volume. You should know that density equal mass divide volume. Mass divide volume. If the volume of the substance equal 1 cubic centimeter, this means that density equal mass divide 1. Density, it has a symbol D, equal mass divide 1. So we can define density as the mass of, density is the mass of unit volume of any substance. Mass of a unit volume of any substance. 1 cubic centimeter, or a unit of volume of any substance equal the mass of a unit volume of substance equal density. Density equals the mass of a unit volume of the substance. Density communicates between mass and volume. Density measured by measuring unit of mass equal gram divide measuring unit of volume cubic centimeter. So the measuring unit of density equal gram over cubic centimeter. Gram divide cubic centimeter. You should know that the density of water equal 1 gram over cubic centimeter. If you know that the density of iron, D of iron, equal 7.8 gram over cubic centimeter. And density of paper equal 0.4 gram over cubic centimeter. If we bring a piece of paper and bring the iron now, we can see that this is water. It contains an amount of water. Beaker contains an amount of water. You know the density of water equal 1 gram over cubic centimeter. So, and iron 7.5 gram over cubic centimeter. So, when you put the piece of iron in the water, you can see it sink in water. Sink in water. Sink in water. But when you bring a piece of paper and put it in the beaker that contains an amount of water, you can see the paper floats on water surface. The paper floats on water surface because its density lower than the density of water. And the iron sink in water because its density higher than the density of water. So the materials which have the density higher than density of water, as iron sink in water. Why? Because it has the density higher than density of water. You can see paper floats on water surface because on water surface because it has a density lower than density of water. You can observe with me the density of water 1 gram over cubic centimeter. Density of iron 7.8 gram over cubic centimeter. So the density of iron higher than density of water, so it sinks in water. But the paper density equals 0.4 gram over cubic centimeter. Its density less than the density of water, so it floats on water surface. Thank you, Stan.